What's up, y'all? It is Brene here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button because you're going to love it here. And if you're not new here, what's up, girl? Thank you so much for coming back. As you guys can see by the title, today we're going to be doing a TEMU haul. When they reached out to me to collaborate, I was like, absolutely. So shout out to TEMU for sponsoring today's video. TEMU has tons of items on their website ranging from clothing, shoes, electronics, household items. Honestly, the list goes on and on. TEMU is currently offering a site-wide sale with savings up to 90% off. They also offer free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. You can download the TEMU app through the link in my description box to redeem a $100 coupon bundle, or you can also use my code and search it in the search bar on the TEMU website to redeem the bundle as well. All of my selected items that you see me wearing today will be linked in the description box down below. Now let's go ahead and get into this haul. So the first thing that I have on is this two-piece set. This is a ribbed material and I got this in a size extra small, I'm pretty sure, and I just got this blue-gray color. They did have other color options. I pulled the pants up to be slightly high-waisted, so like if you wanted to, you really could kind of like crop the shirt. Looks really nice. It's really flattering on. Like I said, I got a size extra small, so it's almost cheeky but not quite. The material on this is wonderful. It feels really comfortable. It's really stretchy, so just keep that in mind when you're purchasing. But yeah, for under $8, y'all, are you crazy? Like, it's really giving what it needs to give. Okay, so next up I got this black Rumper. This is a rib material and it has a square neck. Y'all, the fit of this is perfect. It literally hugs my body just right. I got this in a size extra small, so I would say just go with your normal size. You don't have to worry about trying to size up or anything like that. It is stretchy and it has a breathable material. And honestly, I'm shocked by the quality. This was only like $6. Yes, $6, okay? And the quality is giving that it was like 20 plus. So you literally cannot go wrong with the Rumper. This is literally an outfit right here. You could just throw on some shoes and go, or you can layer it. And it isn't showing anything at the back, so we love that. Okay, so next up I got this knitted black cardigan and it's so cozy and comfy. I know that we're headed into this spring season, but sometimes at night in the spring it's still a little chilly outside, so I felt like why not go ahead and get me a cardigan. I didn't have a black one and now I do because I love this, y'all. It has a really nice quality to it. It has a nice little thickness. Okay, I think that this cardigan was like 16 bucks and it's really nice quality. You can tell that it's definitely going to last. So this cardigan has 2 pockets in the front and then it stops like right above my knees. So I think it's the perfect length and you can't go wrong with black. So yeah, this is definitely a staple to have in your closet. Next up, I got this white cropped tank as well as these blue yoga pants. But let's start with the top first. This is literally just a ribbed tank top and it's a really nice stretchy material. I actually had a top just like this, but I ruined it. So when I saw this on the website, I was like, absolutely, let me go ahead and get me another one. And the fit is perfect. I'm pretty sure I got this in a size extra small, so I would say just go ahead and get your normal size in this. And like I said, it's stretchy, so you might be able to size down, but I can't get no smaller than the extra small. So this is actually a perfect fit. And then moving on down to the pants, these are just like some yoga workout pants. They are in a baby blue color and they're also ribbed. It has this nice little V cut in the front, and I love pants with the V cut, y'all, because it literally gives you like that like Coke bottle kind of shape at the waist, and like yeah, it's giving. So really love these. These pants actually came in a pack of 3. They came with a gray pair and a black pair as well. Love the fit. It's doing a little something back there for me, so we love that. I'm gonna go ahead and try on the other 2 pants just to make sure that the fit is still giving. Moving on to the gray bottoms, they have the same exact fit as the blue ones, so I love that for me. Same style and everything. Like I said, it was in a pack of 3. You know, once again, still has that nice stretchy feel. So now I have on the black ones, and these do feel just a little bit tight, but it still is a perfectly fine fit. I'm actually shocked about the quality. I can't lie. Like, I'm shocked. I was not expecting for it to give what it's giving, and it's giving what it needs to give. So yeah, it's safe to say that I like all three shorts. Next up, I have a pair of cargos. These are my first pair of cargos ever, y'all. Never had cargos before, but I've been wanting some. So when I saw that they had these on their websites, of course I had to get me some. I got these in a size extra small, and I do wish that I would have sized up, only because they're like a perfect fit, and I kind of wanted my cargos to fit a little bit baggier. But this is a nice pair of cargos, okay? Nice. What I do like about these is that at the waist on the inside there is a string, so you can kind of pull it so that the waist is fitting, which is another reason why if I would have sized up, I would have been good to go, because the waist would have been nice and cinched in, and the pants just would have been baggy, but they still give like a little baggy fit. I do love the pocket detailing. There are 2 pockets on each leg, so 4 in total, and you can actually put stuff in the pockets. They're not just like a fake pocket. Like, I literally have my hands in the pockets, so don't play with them, okay? Don't play. They also have butt pockets as well. She's giving. Okay, next up, I got this black corset. I got this in a size extra small, and this thing is snatching me right on up. What I love about this corset is that not only is it a lace up, it does have the zipper on the side. So I'm not gonna lie, at first when I was putting it on, I thought it was too small, and then I started getting really nervous. But I had to let it open to be able to bring it around to zip it up. And then once I zipped it up, I was able to tighten it at the back with the strings. And this thing is giving. I cannot wait to dress this up with some heels. I've been wanting me a black corset for a minute now, just like my black cargos, and it's safe to say that I'm in love. So next up, I got this ribbed 2-piece skirt set. It's just this tube top and this long skirt that goes down to my ankles. And this thing is giving, y'all. This was like $9. $9. Go order you one, okay? This is perfect for the springtime. I got this in an extra small, and obviously the color is gray. It looks so good on. This is actually a thin material, so I was a little nervous when I took it out of the packaging, but it's not see-through at all, and we love that because we're not trying to be see-through. I love that the front of the top kind of dips down a little bit because it makes it really flattering on, and it kind of just gives you that shape. It's the little things, okay? When it comes to these outfits, it's always the little things, but this is hugging everything that it needs to hug, and it's just giving. Next up, we have this long sleeve square neck ribbed bodycon dress. I got this in a size extra small or a small, I can't remember, but I do wish that it fit just a little bit tighter. However, that does not take away from the quality of it and the feel of it. It has a nice soft material. It is breathable. For the price, like, you literally cannot complain. For the price, okay, so that means I need to go place another order when I'm done with this haul. Yeah, because the clothes are giving. Like, I did not expect it, but she's doing what she needs to do. All right, y'all, we have come down to the last item in the haul, and honestly, I done saved the best for last. When I tell you I'm in love, I know I've been saying I love everything in the haul, but I'm in love with this dress. Are you kidding me? It's giving so much body. I love that this has adjustable straps, so you can, you know, adjust it as you wish, but I didn't do anything to it. I just put it on, and this is exactly how it's fitting. Baby, it's giving me a little something right here, like, hello, Coke bottle, hello. I would definitely say that this dress is tall girl friendly. I'm gonna have to go take it to the tailor because I want to be able to wear it, and it's so long that if I wore this out, I'm literally gonna be tripping all over it. Even if I wore heels, I think it would still scrape the ground. So I am gonna go to get this fixed, but I'm in love. All right, y'all, that is going to conclude this video. Once again, all of the items that I showed you guys today will be linked in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out and go get you something from TEMU because girl, the quality is there, okay? Also, don't forget that you can download the TEMU app using the link in the description box down below, or you can use my code and search it in the TEMU search bar on the website to go and get your $100 coupon bundle. Also, I love when you guys comment, so don't forget to comment your favorite item down below. And with that being said, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, please do not forget to like, don't forget to subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys in my next video.